Hello everyone, welcome back to DURGASOFT. Today we're diving into the vibrant and auspicious festival of Ugadi, also known as the Telugu and Kannada New Year. Whether you're celebrating Ugadi, Gudi Padwa or Yugadi, this festival holds immense significance in our culture. Ugadi Significance. Ugadi marks the beginning of a new lunar cycle, symbolizing new beginnings, growth and prosperity. It's a time to cherish our traditions, honor our heritage, and welcome the spring season with open arms. Sending heartfelt Ugadi wishes is a beautiful tradition that strengthens bonds and spreads joy. Whether it's through traditional messages or modern greetings, let's spread love and positivity this Ugadi season. One of the central rituals of Ugadi is the preparation and consumption of Ugadi Pachadi, symbolizing the various flavors of life. Decorating homes with colorful rangolis, wearing new clothes, and offering prayers are integral parts of this festive occasion. Celebrations across regions. While Ugadi is predominantly celebrated in Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra, its spirit transcends geographical boundaries. From Gudi Padwa in Maharashtra to Yugadi in Karnataka, each region has its unique way of commemorating this joyous occasion. As we celebrate Ugadi, let's embrace the spirit of unity, gratitude, and hope. From all of us here at DURGASOFT, we wish you and your loved ones a joyous Ugadi filled with love, prosperity, and abundance.